Now it's around. Hey everybody, it's the Schmidt house. We're down for our annual adventure at Aransas Pass. We just got here. It's actually Tuesday evening, Veterans Day. So happy Veterans Day to all of you out there that have served our country, and thank you for doing that. So we're going to show you around this little B&B and then take you along on our fishing adventures this week.
Beautiful bird. Purple bird.
So we've got our kitchen with this big giant nice bar and a seating area, table. And then the master bedroom. This house goes on and on. This humongous walk-in closet. Pretty cool. Master bath. We are still checking the place out. We just got here like 5 minutes ago. And then we have this little day room connected to the master bedroom. Let's see here. And then this sunroom out here. Screened in, so that's nice. Don't have to worry about mosquitoes or as many bugs. So I have to check that later, make sure I locked it. And then the main living area, there's the day room or sunroom out there. Nice view. It's got some little canals up there. And then it's got a washing room. It's got this bedroom.
Bathroom?
And then there's the guest bathroom.
Mommy, where's my bathroom?
Y'all are gonna sleep in this room over here.
Ooh, let's pause it.
And then this third bedroom, which I think the girls will sleep in here.
I want this bed.
Avery already said, she already picked it because she likes the mirror. You'll live. Y'all may end up sleeping in the same bed, I bet, tonight.
Mommy, I want to turn that light on.
No, don't mess with that. Okay, so pretty cool place. So we've got to unload now. What do you think?
Fully stocked.
Really?
You got food.
Really?
You have to bring food. And I wonder if this is somebody's home and they just...
I think it does say it's somebody. Holy smokes. I don't think we've ever been in a B&B with this much food. Wow. Ice machine. Ice maker, I mean. Wow, all kinds of condiments. Okay, well, we got to go unload now. Well, we're still exploring. Here's the grill. And we actually have an outdoor shower.
Oh, this is nice.
Wow.
But I don't think we would want to take a shower out here in this temperature.
Yeah, it's a little chilly, but if it has hot water, it'd probably feel nice. Okay, I think I got a nasty sticker on my heel. Okay.
Oh, is that a rocking
Oh,
horse?
wow. Maps.
Oh. Look at that map. Corpus Christi, where are we?
We're on this other map. Oh, no, we're on this map. Looks like we're right over here somewhere.
Oh, what about the Gulf of Mexico? Isn't it sure that?
Pretty nice view.
There's no Gulf of Mexico no more. That's an old map. It's now the Gulf of America.
Hi, Avery.
Or just the Gulf.
Wait, where's this?
Okay, well, I just left the B&B. I'm down here, across the bridge. You can see it back here, just over on my way, as if I'm going to Port Aransas. It's Aransas Pass over on the other side of the bridge. And I am going to go back here and throw the cast net, see if I can't catch some mullet. Tide is way out, way low. It's the lowest I've seen it, but we are here about a month and a half later than we normally are. So let me see if I can go catch us some mullet for tomorrow. Going into the wind. I should have maybe gone on the other side. slip and fall. Yeah. Cool stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go over to the other side. It's gonna be too hard to throw into this wind. So let me head over there real quick. I'm on the other side now. Might try in there in a little while. Looks like some fish are caught. But at least I'll be throwing with the wind at my back now. When I was younger, I probably could have done that, but I'm not gonna fight it at my age. Now I might go start over in that little lagoon, or that little puddle. See if there's something decent in there, like finger mullet. There's definitely something in there. How big it is, it's another story. There is a pretty good breeze, but the water's calm. It's supposed to kind of be like this all weekend, I think. If I can get over there without wiping out. Oh, let's go try over there and reach it. That was pretty nasty. Pretty muddy and nasty. It's wiped out right there. Okay. Lots of moss and stuff up on the edge. See a few little swirls. Footsteps. See if we got anything. Looks like this little stuff. That's not good. Bunch of jellyfish everywhere. Hopefully you can hear me. I lied. The other side I couldn't get out far enough to get to the mullet. It was super muddy. So I'm back over here and I was able to catch some. Found a different spot. It's a little better. So let me get these in the bait bucket. 3 are just the right size. Let me get a few more. Okay, got a few more. Got a little bit bigger one we can use as cut bait. 2 more finger mullet and a bigger one. Ouch, finger stuck. Okay, let me keep going. I'm not going to really show a whole lot because I'm trying to save our card for the weekend. So we'll see you in the morning. Are we about to go fishing our first morning? Yeah? It's about 6:25. Sun's not quite up yet. Maybe 6:30.
Oh, there's another one. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Let's go, boy.
Hey, ready to go fishing?
Be baby, both boys.
Sun just came up.
Now I'm happy.
You're happy? Oh, there's a dolphin. There was a dolphin right out in front of us in the middle of the channel. Okay, I gotta drive. Not a big one, but yep, trout. Oh, it came off. Dang it. Let's see here. See if we get slime all over the boat.
You sure it's not a boy fish?
Mm-hmm. Okay, we're gonna keep it for cut bait later, since we need it. Yeah, it's a little bitty speckled trout. Daddy got the first trout in the boat. Oh, and there it goes, it fell off. That would make some excellent bait. Just kidding. Wonder? Oh, it got off? Oh no, it's on there. Another little trout. Now we just need to get into some big trout. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
That was an accidental catch. You gonna save that or not?
That's up to you. That's the spot over there. I think there's just a little channel right through, and there's some oyster reef.
See?
That's a little bigger one, maybe.
Bigger than that last one, yeah.
Keeping it down.
Much bigger.
Well, a keeper, but
Just snagged
that's okay.
it? Okay.
No, it's in the mouth. Caught two on the same shrimp. Hold on. I'll let you reel it in just a second. Thought that one had it good. Oh.
I cannot see any fish.
What?
I cannot see any fish in the water. I want to reel in.
Hold on, I'm trying to get. Oh, there we go. I think, yeah, did I get it hooked? Oh, we got it back off. Hold on. Yeah, that's why I stopped casting over there. There's too much grass. Here, I don't know if there's still a fish on it or not. Just reel it in. We'll see. Okay. Yeah, you still have a fish, I think. There's still a little fish on
Yeah,
it.
look, it's fighting.
You see it fighting, Avery?
It's fighting you. It's fighting you, Avery.
Oh my goodness, you caught bait. You caught a piggy. Or a pinfish. Good catch, Avery. Ouch, it's poking me. You cast back out over there. I can cast over farther. Somebody was showing one the other day. Do you see it, Avery, in the water?
What is that?
It's okay.
That's kind of cool.
It's cool.
It's cool.
Oh, my cork's under. Uh-oh. Oh, it came back up.
Think it's dead?
Oh, something attacking my cork out there. I mean, my shrimp. No, that's not dead. That's alive over there. Look at that dolphin. It's right here.
Right by the boat.
Yeah. It's coming after all these speckled trout Daddy's catching. Keep watching.
I'm gonna chase him away.
Oh. Oh, there's a better one.
Got one?
Yeah. Let me reel this one in, okay? Because I can't let it get loose. Maybe get the net for this one. Maybe. Never mind. It is a little redfish. No wonder it was fighting. Look at the little redfish, Avery. I thought it was a little bit bigger speckled trout. There's that dolphin right on that side of this. It's a little redfish. Army's missing all the action.
Well, they're not keepers, but it's
That's okay. We'll take it.
something to do.
That's right. Don't let the line get loose. Yep.
Is that a big one?
Not a real big one, but it's not a bad size one. Look at it swimming.
It's biting.
You reeling, Avery? You got it, Avery. Let's see. Yeah, it's a nice little one. Keep reeling. Good job. Look at that. Look what you caught.
Good job, Avery. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Not a keeper, but
Okay, I'm gonna throw it back, okay? You wanna throw it back?
Bye-bye.
You wanna throw it back? No? Okay, I'm gonna throw it back. Look, Daddy's got one too. Okay, let me reel it to check that back rod real quick.
Mommy, there's a big fish in there.
I know.
Look at that big fish.
Yeah, it's a big mullet.
Can you put it on?
No, that's too big. We're gonna use that for maybe cut bait at some point. Oh, it's tight again. I think it's just the boat moving.
the water's going down. We're almost dry land right there now. I mean, it's going down big time.
Avery, you can't take it off. Okay? I brought shorts for you because I had a feeling this might happen. Let me put this rod in the rod holder. Army, you okay under there? You gotta be hot. Okay. That probably feels a lot better.
It does.
Okay, good. Let me check this bait back here. Recast it. What?
Where are we gonna go back?
Well, we'll go after a while. I can get you a tablet if you want it. I'm glad you think that. You want to come help us fish? Daddy got another one. Daddy got a piggy. Oh, we finish it? No. Look at that. I wish I had my camera on. That's crazy. Okay, we're going to cast this way in a different direction. We're going to put it over by that post. Be careful, is that what you're saying?
No, he's down.
I'm gonna need something else to drink. Avery, do you want some of your Gatorade? You want to take a drink? Take a drink. Make sure you.
Left of this fish biting. They're still biting on it. I don't know if I can get it off of there now.
Okay, that fish, that pole with the croaker on. I mean, the other fish is over there by the pole.
Okay.
Look at that. Oh wow, big old swirl. That's a good, nice little swirl. That looks like a redfish. Yep, it's a redfish. Come on, baby. Come on, get in the boat. He'll be close.
Goodness, they're right beside us. Do you think those are the same too, Avery?
Can you give me the pliers wherever they are?
That was in the other spot.
Please.
Look, Mom's fish.
Around me, my dick.
Okay. Let me find the jacket stick. See what this is. It's gonna be close.
It's gonna be 20.
20 inches, yeah. $19. Well, we're gonna toss them back. Okay, let's say bye to the fishy.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ready?
Yeah.
See, nice pretty redfish.
That's a red
1 inch short.
Sorry, Mama.
That's okay. It's a good. At least we know they're out here. Oh,
What was that?
what was that? Did I get that on video? I might have gotten it on video because I still had it on. Holy smokes.
How did you saw that?
It wasn't the redfish I just threw in the water, was it? Little trout. It's a pretty trout.
Huh?
It's a pretty trout.
Yeah.
Very pretty trout. Look at all those spots. Maybe some more will move in. Hey, look, guys, got another trout. Oh, really?
I didn't know where it was at.
Oh, it slimed the camera.
It answers.
Yeah, in the back are the answers. Y'all see this pretty trout?
Yeah, it's pretty.
You want to touch it? Uh-oh, the dolphins know we caught something. They're coming up here trying to get dinner. I'm going to throw it way up there. It only have to be 15 inches for a trout.
It's 15 inches.
I don't think so. We'll just make sure. Sorry. Biggest one of the day, though. Probably.
If not, we'll just feed the dolphin again.
14 1/4. Just missing them today. Well, let's see. Dolphins are going to get it. Were they still around?
It went that way and then it kind of jumped up right there and then it's got
Okay, maybe it's going to live.
What's going on?
The fish we just turned back. Play.
Look at this fish.
Well, watch it. Maybe it'll jump again. It's a ladyfish. It's a pretty big one. No. Ladyfish are in the area. I don't like ladyfish. Look at it, it's trying to shake the hook off. That's a fighter. They're fun to fight. That's a big one. This one's going to shake itself off.
Wow.
It's a big one.
Pliers.
Maybe. Maybe. Oh, well, let's just see it, Avery. Oh, let's see. Pulling up weeds or something. I don't know if it might have gotten off. There is grass over there. Oh no, it's still on.
There's something on there.
Oh my goodness. Do you see what this is?
What is
It's
that?
one of those dogfish.
Oh, a dogfish?
Or, I don't know what people call them. I think it's dogfish.
Fat
Toadfish.
belly. That's kind of cool.
Yeah. See that?
Keep those.
No, we're not going to keep it. See? See?
Oh, is that a toadfish?
Yeah, toadfish, dogfish. I think there's a technical difference, but I don't know. Can you hand me those pliers right there, Harmony? Dolphin right next to
Got some
us.
dads in here.
I call it a frog fish.
It is on. No, it's still on.
Oh, baby.
In this picture, can you find a fish?
Yeah, probably about the same size, 13 or 14 inches. Let's see here.
Which one looks the neatest?
Okey-dokey. Woo. No dolphins yet. See how long it takes them to find us. Avery, you fishing?
Watch out for your pole. You could catch a big old croaker or
Hold on
maybe a
tight.
speckled trout. There's a lot of them right here.
Yep. Avery, you caught a trout. Can you
Not
keep
yet.
reeling?
Not yet.
Oh, it's not gonna. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Look at
That's a
that.
good one.
It's okay. It's not gonna
Good one,
hurt you.
Avery. It's okay. It's a good one. Look.
Look, see?
It's okay.
You want to touch it?
Did a good job.
You want to touch it?
You don't want to touch that.
Okay, I'm gonna throw it back. Okay. Say bye. It squirted yuckiness all over the
Oh,
boat.
it's pooped.
Yes. Yep, that's hooked this time, I think. Keep reeling. It's going behind the boat. That's okay, we got it.
You gonna use a net for that big
I
one?
don't know. Keep reeling. We got it. Under the boat. Got it. What is it? It's a big hardhead. Oh, it got
came
off. Yay! Good job. High five.
Well, they're going after that
Good job.
fish bite.
No kidding.
Still a little left.
Yeah. Okay, one count. Not huge.
Small?
Yeah, it's small. Little trout again. No, a little redfish. Yep.
Juvenile.
Yes. Harmony's got a fish.
Come here. Missy.
Harmony's got a fish. This is a bigger fish than. This is the. Oh my goodness! What do you got? Hold on, hold on. Here. You no. I think Harmony caught a giant hardhead.
Oh man,
You got a fish though. That's okay.
I wish I could touch it.
That's a big one.
Yeah. I wish I could touch it though. I can help you.
Oh my goodness. No. This is. Yeah. We don't want anybody getting hurt. Okay. Well, we are on day 3 of our fishing. So far, we haven't caught any keepers, but we have caught a bunch of fish. Probably 22 dozen speckled trout at least. All from like 10 to 14 inches. Some redfish, but none of them big enough to keep. I think our biggest one was 19 inches. Avery and Harmony both caught some fish. It's been nice weather, not too hot, not too cold. So today we are going to go try a little surf fishing. We are on the ferry right now, heading from Aransas Pass over to Port Aransas. So we didn't bring all of our big heavy gear, but we're going to just try fishing up in the shallows of the surf and just see if we can't have some luck over here. You all ready? Okay.
See that big rock right there? There's no cars on that road. That's crazy. Oh yeah, Texas.
Oh yeah, it's over it.
1,
What do you got? Another shell?
Oh, just a lot.
Well, did we catch anything down there?
No.
Nada. We're heading back across the ferry again. I don't either. Okay, we're having our afternoon meal. Where are we eating at? Mickey's?
Mickey's Barn Grill.
Shrimp. Oh, Aunt Harmony has some mega ham sandwich.
It's so
You have
big.
fried fish
And I have french fries.
with a nice view. It's kind of windy, so you may not be able to hear me. Okay, let's dig in. I don't even see anybody driving it.
Go shit.
There's nobody in there driving it. There's a guy in the back working it. It's okay.
Somebody's got to be steering it.
Maybe he's on autopilot or something.
That GPS stuff.
Yeah.
That's dangerous. So,
Pulling your drag.
we got it set pretty loose.
Oh.
Stay right. Stay right. Did
It's fighting better. Might be a keeper.
Think so?
Close. One of the bigger ones we've got.
Well, I want to touch it. I want to touch it. It's
Might just be short. Might be 14 inches. Man, the tide is booking. Let's do that first. Yep. 13 and a half. Goodbye.
Bye. Wee. She was a fag.
Let me tighten the drag just a little bit. Okay. Keep reeling. You got it. You got this, girl. I don't know. Keep reeling. Oh, it's fighting. It's fighting.
Oh,
It's splashing.
Heck, it's way over there.
Yeah, you got this. Just keep reeling. Good job, Harm. You might have the biggest fish yet.
That's a good one, I think.
Yep, keep reeling. Nothing grabs that hook back there. Come on, you got it. Keep on reeling. Oh, I saw a swirl.
Come off.
Nope, it's still on. Oh, I think that's a keeper, Harmony.
What is it?
High five.
What is it?
It's a trout.
The biggest one?
It's the biggest one we caught. That's a keeper. It only took us 4 days.
Only one to catch us dinner.
And look, it came off the hook. Almost 16 inches.
Is it a keeper?
Yes, ma'am. That's a good sign. Where there's one, there's more than one. Nice. running a little bit. I don't think it's a hardhead. Might be a stingray. I don't know. What is that? Is it a stingray or is it a redfish? Okay, get the net. It's a netter. It's by my seat.
Where is it?
By the captain's seat. It's a redfish. It's a nice redfish. Now it's running like a redfish. See it?
Yeah.
It's still got some fight in it, I bet. It's a pretty big one. Don't get over there where the dolphin can get you, buddy. The dolphin's lurking, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Don't get in the...
That's a real good one.
I think it's not a bull yet.
Oh, you want to keep it?
Let's we might. Here's the ring. Maybe. You see the redfish, Avery? That's a bull. It's not like we catch very many of them.
How big is that?
That's a big one.
How big is
Let's see. Well, where's Daddy's port? Oh, I see him. They're both still up. Oh, let's turn the music off. That's what I'm talking about. Right in the corner of the mouth, like it's supposed to.
Hey, let's see them.
Pliers?
Yeah, they're up in the front.
What is that?
What's it look like?
Redfish. Big one. Big
How
giant
big
one.
is it? Is it a keeper?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. We have to tag it. It's too big.
Oh my.
Okay.
This is just got to remember when you're cleaning it.
How big
Keep the tag on it. Oh, actually, he might. He is a bull.
That and don't throw the fish away.
What do you mean?
Remember the last time
Oh,
you fish in the water.
Yeah.
The fillet.
Look
Wait,
at that. He's
has
not a
tag on
bull.
it?
Even tilting the tail, he's under 28. Barely. Awesome. High five.
He's going to-
Let's keep fishing. Maybe we can get another one. Let me put this in the...
Does it have a tag on it?
No, it's not that time of year. Even if it did, it wouldn't matter. Okay, let's put them in here. Now our speckled trout has a buddy.
How big is he, Mommy?
Look, they fit. Yeah.
I feel like it's
Yay.
Good idea coming back over here, Mom.
Get back, Harmony.
Papa did.
Hold on. Harmony will have to take care of her stuff here in just a minute.
Papa did.
Oh my goodness, say excuse me.
Papa did.
Daddy's fighting one.
Well, I don't know. It's not fighting. I don't know what it is. Gafftop, you think?
Could be. Gafftop normally fight pretty hard.
Big hard heads.
Big crab.
You know, hardheads fight too. Sometimes stingrays you dragging. That redfish was weird earlier. At first, I wasn't sure what it was because I was just like, it was very slowly moving. Yes, Avery? Oh, I see some fight. I see some fight. Okay, I gotta watch Daddy. We're watching Daddy fight his fish in.
I also watching.
Don't tighten it too much or it'll break. It's okay right now, I think.
Oh my, he's so big. How big?
It's pulling down. Gafftop, stingray, redfish.
Redfish.
Hoping for redfish.
I'm hoping for redfish too. It's getting a pretty good fight. I don't see any slime yet.
I never saw it. Could be a pinchy crab.
We'll take it if it's a gafftop, a big gafftop. Oh, Harmony, get down, please. Get down,
Slime.
please. You see
Already
slime?
see it, yep. See?
Not a crab then.
No, definitely not crab. Oh my goodness, it's fighting. It's a pretty big gafftop, I think. Yeah, it's a pretty big gafftop. It's okay. You'll see it in a minute.
It looks like a shark.
Sorry. I know I don't want to get it caught in the. It's gotta fight itself out a little bit. Yeah, I think. Oh, it's too down, too low. I can't see it. Hold on. Got it. Look at that. That's a big one. That's a big old nice gafftop.
That is definitely not a crab.
No.
On the old piggy.
Yep. There you go. Just put it in the.
Smell like watermelon.
Well, at least I got the
Awesome.
piggy.
Yes. Let's get this baby in the bucket. Oh, I can get it. Okay. Harmony. Okay, well, today was day 4 of fishing, and we ended up having a pretty good day. We caught a 27 3/4 inch redfish, a really big gafftop, and then Harmony also caught us a speckled trout. She was the first keeper of the weekend. And Avery also caught some fish today. She caught a piggy, and then she caught some speckled trout this weekend, right, Avery? And Harmony's gonna feed us dinner. So we actually probably caught a couple of dozen speckled trout over the course of the weekend.
Yeah, at least.
At least. Lots of them. They were just slightly undersized. So we're going to go back and see how the Aggies are going to do. I think they're getting blown out right now, the last I looked. And then we're going to watch Texas later tonight. So we'll see how they do. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. And we'll see you on the next one.